one of the things that people ask about every year. When are we going to do it again? It's that kind of event. The Utility Bowl is a challenge that we have with Southwest Gas. We have two different teams that come out and volunteer to see which team can make the most either bags or boxes, depending on what the food bank needs. And then the winner gets a trophy and gets to keep it for that year.
Let's go, everybody! Shake and bake!
It is super fun. Everybody gets excited about it. People on both sides just love this event. And so, regardless of which team wins, it's a win for the food bank. And today, unfortunately, we were not the winner.
We have Southwest Gas.
So the great thing about the Utility Bowl is that with the two teams, we can do the volume of bags or boxes that are normally produced in a 3-hour shift in under an hour. Even just going out in the community, you get to see people that say, oh, if you're out with the TEP volunteer shirt on, they say, hey, thanks for helping out in our community. And especially with our new TEP shirts that say Community Food Bank on the back, a lot of people recognize those instantly because the Community Food Bank, they do such great work in our community and support so many different causes.